Hi, friends. How are you today? Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a great weekend. We had good weather on Saturday, not so great weather yesterday, but we still had some patches of nice weather where we were able to get outside or something. This weekend was Miss Debbie's birthday, and it was so much fun because I got her this stone for the garden that you get to paint, and I'm going to paint it today, this afternoon with her. It's going to be our arts and crafts for today. And I have another arts and crafts that maybe you could do while I'm painting my stone. You could paint your stone at home. But first, we're going to do the calendar, and then I'll show you what our craft is for this afternoon. So wait until the end of the video for that. So we are here. It is Monday. I told you that. So when I ask you later, you could already shout out what that day is. And we have few dates to add to our calendar before we get to actual today's date, right? So whenever we leave for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we do not do the calendar, but then we come back on Monday, and that means we have 3 numbers to add to the calendar. So it's super cool. So I'm going to need your help to count because we have so many numbers and so many days that we have gone through that April is almost done. Yeah, that's right. April is almost done. Can you believe it? I think about that and I'm just like, wowzer, how is that possible? So I'm going to need your help at home to count to get me through all of these numbers. All right, so can you help me at home? Good, so I have my handy dandy pointer here. And we are going to start at number 1 right here. And we're going to count all these numbers to figure out what yesterday was. I'm sorry, what Saturday was, what Sunday was, and what today is. All right, so here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Saturday was 25, right? 25 was Saturday. We're going to put that in right there. Yesterday was Sunday, and Sunday's date was 26. Okay. And then finally, today's date is the number 27. Can everybody see 27? The number 27 in Spanish is 27. Let's make sure we did that correct. We have to double check. We're going to count from 1 to 10, okay? And then we'll review. So I'm going to put that in the calendar, all right? We're going to double check here. So we counted already. We know that today is the number 27, but now we're going to count from 1 through 10 in Spanish, and then that will help us remember what this is. We know that 2, or the 20s in Spanish is 20, but then we have to put this number behind it. Now I said 27, so let's double check and make sure. All right, again, we're going to do our numbers in Spanish 1 through 10. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So now when we get to the 20s, you go 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Right? So number 27 was 27. Good job, Miss Leisha, and good job, friends at home. All right, so we know that we are in the month of April. We are so far into the month of April. These are all the days that have passed. Wow, what a month that we've had. We've seen lots of rain. We've seen sprouted flowers. We've seen growing trees. We've seen animals come out and maybe in our front yards or backyards. We've seen a lot of changes so far in April. In May, we're going to see a little bit more warmer weather. Today's a little chilly, but I know tomorrow is supposed to be in the 60s. And did you know that there's going to be a day coming up that's even going to be in the 70s? That means it's really, really nice out. All right, so here we go. So again, we have this number here, 27. And if we draw a straight line up, it tells us what day of the week is. Now, I said it in the beginning of the video, so do you remember what today is? If you remember it, I want you to shout it at home right now. Today is Monday. Very good, friends. Today is Monday. And here we have the word Monday. Okay? Let's spell Monday together. Ready? M-O-N-D-A-Y. And that spells Monday. Very good. So we have the number, the day of the week, and we know the month and the year. So we have everything we need for the date. So here we go. Today's date is Monday, April 27th, 2020. And let's do that one more time together. Ready? Today's date is Monday, April 27th, 2020. Very good, friends. And now our sentence is up here. I already put that yesterday was Sunday because that is going to be our clue to help us figure out what the rest of these sentences say. So we know that yesterday was Sunday, and what day comes right after Sunday? It goes Sunday and then Monday. Very good. So in this sentence strip, we have to put the word Monday. And I have the word Monday right here. Remember when we spelt it together? This is the word Monday. So we're going to put this up in the middle sentence strip right there. Okay, so that says today is Monday. Amazing. Now we have to figure out what tomorrow will be. How can we do this? I have an idea. How about we jump over here and we use this poster? Okay, so yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. What is this? Well, let's review our days of the week first, and that'll help us remember what day comes after Monday, okay? So let's review our days of the week. Ready? Everybody at home, say them with me. All of them. Ready? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good. So now we remember what the days of the week are. That'll help us remember what tomorrow will be. So let's go back to the top. Yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Very good, friends. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. So we have to find this word in our poster words so we can put it up. All right, so can everybody see Tuesday over here? Very good. Now I want you to match that word with the word in my hands. Is the pink one Tuesday or is the green one Tuesday? Yeah, look, the green one is Tuesday. It matches. So this word says Tuesday, so we're going to put this up right here. And now we have our completed sentences. Are you ready to read them together? Okay. We have yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is the beginning of another great week. And tomorrow is going to be Tuesday. That's super cool. And then Wednesday, and then Thursday, and then Friday. And before you know it, another week will be through. And then we're another week closer to being together at school again. Before we say goodbye, I want to show you our craft. Now, in the beginning of the video, I did say that we are going to be doing a rock craft for today. But I'm going to switch tomorrow's project with today's project and put today's project for tomorrow's project. Okay? So today, you have 2 tasks to do. You're going to do the project that I told you, but I also want you to go outside and find a rock. Find a rock that you could paint for tomorrow, okay? It could be a big rock, maybe a medium-sized rock. You don't want to find anything too small because then you won't be able to decorate it. So even if you go for a walk, tomorrow's supposed to be really, really nice out. That's also why I'm switching it. So if you go for a walk, try to find a rock that you could decorate, okay? Go for a walk with your parents, look for a rock, and I'll show you what our project for tomorrow will be. So today's project we're going to be making flowers because we're seeing so many flowers blossoming all over the place. And now this is going to be with your own imagination. The only thing I used to make the flowers 3D were cupcake tins. Isn't that so cool? So these I had at my house. I had 3 little cupcake wrappers. All right. If you don't have them, that's totally fine. You could use your imagination to look for something else that could stand out like the head of the flower, right? But then I first, before I glued these on, I did all of my background details, right? Can you tell me one thing that you see in my picture? Yeah, I have some ants down here. What is this? A worm. I drew a worm in my dirt, right? I drew my grass here because flowers grow in dirt, but they also have some grass underneath them too, right? Okay. Up here, what is this? A butterfly. And this is my way how I draw birds. It almost looks like the letter M. My preschool kids practice drawing birds like this. If you can't draw birds, that's totally fine. And then over here, I have my sun for a sunshiny day. And that's my photo. So I want you guys to try to draw your flowers and your background. I colored the sky blue and I colored the dirt. I want you guys to try to recreate this, okay? And again, if you don't have cupcake wrappers, that is okay. You could just draw them or use your imagination to find other things in your house that could be 3D like this for the tops of the flowers, right? And before we go, how many flowers did I draw? 1, 2, 3. Good job. You were right. Who said 3 at home? Wow, good job, friends. So if you can, draw 3 flowers. If you can, draw 4. That would be amazing. If you could draw 5, that would be even better. But if you could only draw 1 or 2, that's also okay. I want you to draw and color your picture. If you need help from your siblings or your parents, you could ask them for help. But we are going to practice our drawing skills, all right? And that's our project for today. I want everyone to say Happy Monday. And I will see you back here bright and early on Tuesday, tomorrow, Tuesday. Have a great day. Bye, friends.